Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your life easier, especially for people that work late and come back really tired. And usually you don't want to cut all these ingredients. I don't. So on your free time, please, if you like these ingredients, you like these spices which are called greens, get this bell peppers and this oregano, Chinese basil or any basil, spring onion, parsley, celery. Usually I get Chinese celery at Hong Kong market, but I couldn't find it today, so I get American celery. So, and then you get leeks, some garlics, and this hot pepper, onion. Now all these ingredients, you can either cut the greens ones together and put them in a Ziploc bags like this and put in the freezer, so you can use it anytime, any day you need it. If you want, you can blend all this plus this white pepper. Those are seed, but you can still find them in blended version. So you can blend all this together and put them in little cups like these ones and put them in the freezer, so you can use them anytime you need to. If you don't want cut veggies, if you just want something that is already blended just to saute maybe a spaghetti or something, you can just get one of these cups, unfroze it, and there you go. So please bear with me today. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's easy and simple, but it will save your life and your time, because sometimes you're just so tired, like you feel like you can drop, but you have to make that meal for the children, for the husband, for yourself, and really you don't have time to be cutting all this. But if you do what I'm about to show you, your life is going to be really easy. Now that my ingredients are cut and ready, I'm about to mix them like this or with my hands, and then divide it into two. One part of it I'm going to blend it with this onion, garlic, and habanero pepper, white pepper, and the other part I'm going to put it in a plastic bag like this and store it in the freezer. The day I want to cook, I'm going to just grab one of these bags and then get myself dry garlic, chili pepper, dry white pepper, dry onion, and then I'm good to go. So let's get to it. Now I'm about to put my ingredients in the plastic bags. You can put as much as you like. Some people doesn't have a lot in their food. I like having a lot, so I'll pretty much fill up this plastic bag. Now I'm about to fill out these containers right here. This little container with the blended one. When I say blended, I don't really like it. These spices that I put in my freezer, I don't like it really blended soft. I just like it a little chopped finely like this. That's best, because it gives you that taste of having the vegetable cut like this, but not blended. But sometimes I can blend them too, and even put them in the ice tray, so that I can use just those little cubes and cook with it. That's good too. But for now, I choose these ones. This is the final result, guys. 15 meal prep. You come home, you take one of these or one of this, you go to your kitchen and cook. It's going to make your life more easier. Please subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.